Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Jessica, your English teacher. I speak slowly, I use easy words, so you can learn with comfort.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jock. I'm learning English. I'm excited to learn today.
That's great, Jack. Today's topic is family trip to the airport. We will learn simple English words and sentences. We will talk about family. We will talk about the airport. And we will practice together.
That sounds good. I like traveling.
Wonderful. Let's start slowly. First, let's talk about family. Jack, do you have a family?
Yes, I do. I have a small family.
Very good. Now listen and repeat after me. Family.
Family.
Good. A family can have a father, a mother, and children. Father, father, mother, mother, children, children. Excellent. Now I will make a sentence. My family is going on a trip. Now you try. My family is going on a trip. Perfect. That was very clear. Today, Jack's family is going to the airport. They are taking a trip. Listen carefully. Okay, I'm listening. The family says, "We are going to the airport." Repeat after me. We are going to the airport. Good job. The word airport is very important today. Say it slowly. Airport. Airport. Great. Now listen. The airport is big. Can you repeat?
The airport is big.
Very nice. At home, the family packs their bags. They pack clothes. They pack shoes. They pack documents.
Documents?
Good question, Jack. Documents are important papers, like a passport. Repeat after me. Passport.
Passport.
Excellent. Now say this sentence. I have my passport.
I have my passport.
Perfect. Part 3. Going to the airport. The family leaves the house. They go in a car. Listen and repeat. We are in the car.
We are in the car.
Very good. They are on the way to the airport. Repeat after me. On the way. On the way. Nice. Now, listen carefully. The family is excited. Excited means happy and nervous. Repeat. Excited.
Excited.
Great. Are you excited when you travel, Jack?
Yes, I am excited.
Wonderful sentence. Now, the family is at the airport. The airport is busy. Many people are there.
Busy means many people, right?
Yes, very smart. Repeat after me. Busy.
Busy.
Good. At the airport, they see the check-in counter. Listen and repeat. Check-in.
Check-in.
Nice and slow. They say, "We want to check in." Your turn. We want to check in. Excellent. Now they show their tickets. Repeat after me. Ticket.
Ticket.
Very good. Let's practice a full sentence. I have my ticket.
I have my ticket.
Perfect. After check-in, they go to security. Security is where they check bags. Repeat after me. Security.
Security.
Great. The officer says, "Please put your bag here." Now you repeat.
Please put your bag here.
Very polite and clear. Polite words are important, like please and thank you. Repeat after me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Now the family goes to the gate. Listen and repeat. Gate.
Gate.
Good. They sit and wait. Repeat after me. We are waiting.
We are waiting.
Very nice. Waiting can be boring, but the family talks and smiles. They are happy together.
I like that.
Me too. Now listen. The plane is ready. Repeat.
The plane is ready.
Excellent. Boarding means going on the plane. Repeat after me. Boarding.
Boarding.
Good. The speaker says, now boarding. Your turn.
Now boarding.
Perfect. The family walks onto the plane. They find their seats. Repeat after me. Seat.
Seat.
Great job. Now let's review what we learned today. We talked about family.
Father, mother, children.
Yes. We talked about the airport.
Airport. Check-in. Ticket.
Very good. We talked about security, gate, and boarding.
Security. Gate. Boarding.
Excellent work, Jack. And excellent work to our listeners. You did great today.
Thank you, Jessica. I learned a lot.
You're welcome. Keep practicing. Listen again. Repeat the words and enjoy learning English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. See you next time.